Okay, Shailendra, we'll leave it there. Thank you and appreciate you joining us. You take good care of yourself. You've got a busy season ahead in this budget session. Well, moving ahead, the Supreme Court's 5-judge bench headed by Justice N.V. Ramana will hear today the curative petition of the fourth convict, Akshay, seeking commutation of his death sentence to life imprisonment. Meanwhile, after the Supreme Court rejected Mukesh's petition challenging the rejection of his mercy plea by the president in 2012, Delhi gang rape case, another convict, Vinay, filed his mercy plea before the president. The court said there is no merit in the contention. All sufferings in jail can't be grounds to challenge the rejection of mercy plea by the president, and that all relevant material, including judgments pronounced by the trial court, high court and Supreme Court, were placed before the president when he was considering the mercy plea of the convict. President Ramnath Kovind had rejected the mercy petition of Mukesh on January 17th. Mukesh Singh and Vinay Sharma's curative petitions have already been rejected. Well, Vikas Sarthi, a correspondent tracking the Apex Court for us, joining us now on the phone line this morning. Good morning, Vikas. Considering now Akshay Singh, the third convict to challenge this particular, his hanging, in a method, in a case that has been criticized for its duration, and the petition, making his hanging over his, over the weekend pretty unlikely now.
Good morning, Anil. Right, so far as if we see the fate of the other curative petition, the Supreme Court rejected 2 curative petitions filed by Mukesh Kumar Singh and Vinay. So what will be the outcome of the third curative petition? It is not something which will be very different from the previous 2 orders. So it's a legal right of the death row convict to file a curative petition, and they are using the same. So far as all 4 death row convicts are concerned, out of these, Mukesh Kumar Singh has exhausted all his legal remedies. In fact, his mercy plea has been rejected by the President of India. Now only Pawan is left, who has not filed neither curative petition nor he has filed any mercy plea. But so far, other 3 death row convicts are concerned, they have almost exhausted their legal remedies. Today, Supreme Court will hear curative petition at 1 p.m. in chamber. This will be an in-chamber hearing, so the counsels will not be able to put any oral argument before the bench. It is the same bench which earlier heard the matter of Vinay Sharma. So the outcome is may not be very different from that petition as well. But since it's a legal right of the death row convicts to file curative petition, to file mercy plea, they are exercising the same. And now we see that because of all these proceedings, the death warrant, which was supposed to be implemented on 1st of Feb, may also get postponed because of pendency of mercy plea, and there is very much hope that Pawan will also file a curative petition now once the mercy plea once the mercy plea of Akshay is rejected by the President of India. So, in all circumstances, it seems very unlikely that the death warrant, which was to be executed on 1st of Feb, will be postponed.
Because considering that, is there now, we need to have a relook into these guidelines in the death row cases, considering, the legal options that are there that have been exploited, beyond control. If you look at it, is there a need now to relook at this particular guidelines that have been set when it comes to legal options?
Right, Anil. In fact, the center has approached the Supreme Court, and the center has requested the court to at least modify a previous judgment where Supreme Court said that a death row convict cannot be hanged for at least 14 days after rejection of his mercy plea. Now, in this case, we see that all 4 death row convicts are filing petitions at different point in time. Now, after that, they filed mercy plea before the president on different dates. So they are trying to buy some more time, and the center has pointed it before the court that it is the time that Supreme Court must revisit that previous judgment and modify necessary points which were given in the previous judgment in Shatrughan Chauhan versus Union of India. So that guideline needs to be reviewed by the Supreme Court. That plea is already pending before the court, and center has urged the court to change all those guidelines because in some cases like in this cases where more than 1 death row convict is involved, the prisoners may exploit that guideline.
Okay. Thank you. Appreciate you joining us this morning with those inputs there on the Nirbhaya gang rape and murder case.